Chelsea Jean Lymphatics is marketed as a wellness system focused on lymphatic drainage, detox support, inflammation reduction, skin glow, and even weight loss. But the real question is, does it actually improve your health, or is it another wellness trend making oversized claims? Now, to be fair, the lymphatic system itself is absolutely real. Manual lymphatic drainage is a legitimate medical technique used in certain clinical situations, especially for swelling and lymphedema after surgery or cancer treatment. What it does well: encourages movement and self-care habits. Chelsea Jean strongly promotes massage, movement, hydration, and daily body awareness. Those habits alone can help some people feel better physically and mentally. Lymphatic massage can reduce temporary puffiness. Experts acknowledge that lymphatic massage may temporarily reduce swelling and fluid retention, especially in the face or limbs. Where it falls short, the health claims often go far beyond the evidence. This is the biggest issue. Claims involving detox, major fat loss, cellulite breakdown, immune boosting, or dramatic health transformation are not strongly supported by scientific research. Lymphatic drainage is not magic detoxification. Medical experts repeatedly point out that your liver and kidneys already handle detoxification. A healthy lymphatic system usually functions on its own without special creams or tools. Weight loss claims are questionable. While massage may temporarily reduce water retention or bloating, there is no strong evidence that lymphatic massage alone produces significant fat loss. So, does Chelsea Jean Lymphatics actually improve your health? Short answer, possibly in small supportive ways, but probably not as dramatically as the marketing suggests. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.